What's going on, guys, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alrighty guys, so today's video we're going to be attempting to plant some grass during the summer. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so before we actually get started, I just want to say I do not recommend planting grass in the summertime. I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. One, for content purposes. Two, I'm actually pretty tired of seeing this patch right here. I can't wait till the fall time. I normally don't even plant till about October. That's like almost 2 months from now. I just want to do it right now. And three, the only reason I'm also only willing to attempt this is this. You guys can see right now it has shade. So this area does get some shade. If this got full sun, like over here, like I was still getting sun, I probably wouldn't even attempt this. So because it has shade, I'm willing to attempt it. But yeah, like I said, normally I would not recommend planting during the summertime, guys. But after that being said, let's go ahead and plant this grass. So this is the area where I'm going to be attempting to plant the grass. Now normally I will loosen this stuff up with this tiller right here, but I noticed recently that it's actually pretty compact. So instead of this handheld one, I'm going to be using my Sunjo electric tiller to till up this whole area pretty good, and hopefully we'll get some really good germination. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the tiller out, till this area up, try to level it out, and then we'll go out, move on from there. Now that I tilled it up, pretty easy with that Sunjo, to be honest. I'll try to even this out. Try to level as best I can, but you know what I'm going to do actually, now that it's kind of open, I'm going to throw some of this manure and compost mix, just so I can add a little bit more nutrients to the soil before I put the grass seed down. Just throw some in there and then I'll mix it up. Alright, next step, we'll go ahead and throw down your grass seed. You can use a broadcast spreader if you like, but since it's not the whole yard, just this area, I'm going to be throwing it by hand. Next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go back to the handheld tiller and just lightly go over all the grass seed, because this is going to kind of bury that grass seed into the soil, so that way we get that good seed to soil contact, guys. Alright guys, next I'm going to be adding a thin layer on top with the cow manure and compost mix also. This is going to ensure that when you water, it's going to help keep it more, contain it moist, I guess you could say. Also, it's going to protect it from all these birds that have in the backyard. So let's go ahead and cover this up. All completed, seed is covered, it's thrown down. Next step, and most important step, especially because it's summer, is watering. I'm gonna have to water this just because it's so hot, at least minimum 3 times a day, sometimes even 4. But I'll definitely be doing a lot of hand watering just because the rest of the lawn doesn't really need to be watered, just this area right here. So I'll see you guys once we get some germination. Alrighty guys, so it has been exactly 1 week since I'm sorry, this is 8 days since I planted the grass seed, and here are the results. As you can see, we have success. We have a lot of grass seed growing right here. Now you're gonna notice that right here is pretty good, except over here, and the main reason is because we'll let my dog out, she runs up here right to there, and then when we call her to come back in, she runs right back to there. So there definitely would have been more grass right there, but you can kind of see her footprints as she runs up and down these stairs. But guys, we succeeded. We have some grass. Now I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be very difficult to keep this alive, only because so far on my phone, the next 10 days, it's looking like it's over in the hundreds, anywhere between 100 to 105 degrees. So I will definitely keep you guys updated in the next following video. But as you guys can see, we do have germination, guys. It's looking pretty good. And this is not the only area I seeded. I also did some other spots over here. See little bare spots growing right here as well, and as well as over here. So as you guys can see, it definitely is possible to grow grass seed. I still don't recommend it, but it is possible. But that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.